I made this Runflat just for 10 bucks. At Saturday channel, I'm still making my UGV legally armed and armored, and today we will test my do-it-yourself Runflat. I've made easily for one day just for 10 bucks, and today we will try to penetrate it with a 7-inch plus nail and 9mm drill. If you would stuck somewhere outdoor far away from the service, this information would be useful for you. Let's try it on penetration with nails and drill. If I failed or succeed, you may always type it in the comment section. So there is no blows, no punctures. See these holes, pretty big. It's okay. The tire is pretty hard. You may easily make such a do-it-yourself Runflat tire for 10 bucks if it's necessary, if you're stuck somewhere outside the civilization. If you would like to see how I've made this tire, see my previous video, see more life hacks and my do-it-yourself project, subscribe my channel. So bye.